Ciao everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of Learn Italian with Songs. Today we'll explore the translation and meaning of one of the most famous Italian summer songs, Abbronzatissima, by Edoardo Vianello, one of the Italian summer song kings. Ready? Let's start. Abbronzatissima, the most tanned. Abbronzatissima is the superlative of abbronzata, tanned, for in Italian the superlative is formed by adding the suffixes issimo, issima, issimi or issime to the root of the adjective. With this first adjective, the singer describes his lover, a woman, since abbronzatissima is singular feminine. The masculine would be abbronzatissimo. Fun fact, abbronzato, tanned, literally means someone whose skin became bronze. A 2 passi dal mare, a couple of steps away from the sea. A 2 passi, literally 2 steps away, is a fixed phrase that describes something so close by that the distance could be covered in 2 steps. Com'è dolce sentirti. How sweet it is to hear you. Respirare con me. Breathing with me. Sulle labbra tue dolcissime. On your sweetest lips. Dolcissime is another superlative. This time the adjective is dolce, sweet. Un profumo di salsedine. A scent of saltiness. Sentirò per tutto il tempo. I will smell all the time. Sentire is an Italian verb with multiple meanings. We found it in the previous verse with the meaning of hearing. However, here it means smelling, referring to the scent of saltiness mentioned in the line before. Di questa estate d'amor, of this summer of love. If we had to put the pieces in order, the result would be per tutto il tempo di questa estate d'amor sentirò un profumo di salsedine sulle tue dolcissime labbra. Throughout the summer of love, I will smell the saltiness on your sweetest lips. Quando il viso tuo nerissimo, when your blackest visage. As you might have noticed, the first line of each verse contains a superlative. Here we have nerissimo, from nero, black. Tornerà di nuovo pallido, will turn pale again. Being Mediterranean, the skin tone of many Italians darkens a lot during the summer and then returns paler during winter. Questi giorni in riva al mar, these days by the sea, non potrò dimenticar. I will not be able to forget. Abbronzatissima, the most tanned, sotto i raggi del sole, under the rays of the sun. A 2 passi dal mare, a couple of steps away from the sea, abbracciato con te, hugged with you. And there you have it, my translation and analysis of Abbronzatissima by Edoardo Vianello. But Silvia, this can't be right. The song is longer than that, you might say. And you'd be right, but only for the music. You see, the lyrics of Abbronzatissima are just these 4 verses I just analyzed repeated twice. If you loop the first half of the song, it's the same thing, and it makes sense. Summer songs, at least in Italy, are meant to have simple lyrics and catchy music, because the focus is not on the meaning of the song, but its summer vibe. That said, share your thoughts in the comments below. Did you find any line or idiom interesting? And of course, let me know which song you'd like to dive into next. Grazie for watching and
Arrivederci.